Kenya is on the verge of a stunning economic breakthrough after unearthing its largest gold discovery in decades. A find so monumental it could redefine the nation's economic trajectory and rewrite Africa's gold map. The discovery, valued at an astonishing $5.29 billion, has been confirmed in Kakamega County, western Kenya, and experts are already calling it a once-in-a-lifetime find that could catapult the East African nation into the ranks of Africa's leading gold producers. Could this be the moment that transforms Kenya from a country known for coffee, tea, and tourism into one of Africa's most glittering mining frontiers? According to reports, the discovery was made by Shanta Gold Limited, a London-listed British mining company with a strong operational presence across East Africa. Through its Kenyan subsidiary, Shanta Gold Kenya Limited, the firm announced that its Isulu Bushingala underground project had confirmed an estimated 1.27 million ounces of gold, a colossal reserve that instantly positions Kakamega as the heartbeat of Kenya's mineral revolution. The discovery lies within the Lirhanda corridor, a 1,200-kilometer mineral belt that stretches across Kakamega and Vihiga counties and has long been rumored to host vast mineral wealth. Now, with hard geological data to back the claims, Kenya stands at the threshold of a new golden age. The scale of this project is breathtaking. According to the Environmental Impact Assessment Report submitted to Kenya's National Environment Management Authority, plans are already underway to construct a large-scale underground gold mine covering about 337 acres in Kakamega South Sub-County. To put that into perspective, 337 acres is equivalent to roughly 191 European standard soccer pitches, an expanse so vast it's almost unimaginable as an underground engineering marvel. How often does a developing nation announce a project of this magnitude, where each acre could potentially yield millions of dollars in hidden treasure? Shanta Gold plans to deploy long-hole open stoping technology, a cutting-edge underground mining method designed to maximize efficiency while minimizing environmental disruption. This approach marks a dramatic leap from Kenya's traditional small-scale, surface-level artisanal mining to the kind of deep-earth industrial operations that characterize gold powerhouses like South Africa and Australia. Accompanying the mine will be a 1,500-ton-per-day processing plant, a 12-megawatt power station, and a tailings storage facility. Infrastructure that signals Kenya's readiness to play in the big leagues of global mining. The construction cost is projected at between $170 million and $208 million, with the mine expected to operate for at least 8 years once full-scale production begins. The stakeholders driving this historic project represent a dynamic blend of international expertise and Kenyan ambition. Shanta Gold Limited, which also operates successful gold projects in Tanzania, is spearheading the venture in close collaboration with local authorities and Kenya's Ministry of Mining. Financing is primarily being sourced through a mix of equity, strategic partnerships, and reinvested profits from Shanta's Tanzanian operations, a model that has allowed the company to maintain independence while ensuring local participation. Preliminary exploration began several years ago, and the project is now entering its final approval phase, pending NEMA authorization. If all goes as planned, construction could begin as early as next year, ushering in a new era for Western Kenya's economy. But what makes this discovery truly electrifying is its potential to transform Kenya's position in the global mining landscape. For decades, Kenya has played only a minor role in Africa's gold industry, producing just 410 kilograms of gold in 2023. A modest figure compared to giants like Ghana, South Africa, or Sudan, which produce millions of ounces annually. Yet with the Isulu Bushingala discovery, this narrative is changing fast. Could Kenya be on the cusp of joining the continent's mining elite? Could Kakamega soon stand alongside Johannesburg and Accra as a name synonymous with gold wealth? Experts believe this breakthrough could spark a ripple effect across Kenya's entire economy. The project promises to generate hundreds of direct jobs during construction and operation, and thousands more indirect opportunities through local supply chains, transport, and services. Small businesses in Kakamega are already anticipating a surge in activity, from housing and food services to logistics and equipment supply. Economists say the gold project could help diversify Kenya's economy, reducing its reliance on agriculture and tourism, and inject much-needed foreign exchange into the country's coffers. Under Kenya's Mining Act, 3% of the gross gold sales will be paid as royalties, with 20% allocated to the county government of Kakamega and 10% directed toward local community development projects. Shanta Gold has also pledged to contribute 1% of total gold output value directly to host communities as part of its corporate social responsibility commitments. Imagine what this could mean for local schools, healthcare facilities, roads, and utilities in one of Kenya's most historically underserved regions. For the first time, the soil beneath Kakamega might become the foundation of a new era of prosperity for its people. Globally, the timing of this discovery couldn't be better. With gold prices hovering near record highs amid global economic uncertainty, Kenya's entry into the gold market could not only attract fresh foreign direct investment, but also position the nation as a stable, high-potential alternative to traditional mining zones. In an era where investors are seeking new production frontiers outside overexploited markets, Kenya's newfound gold fields might just be the world's next destination of choice. Still, as with all monumental undertakings, there are challenges. Environmental advocates have raised concerns about land acquisition, displacement, and potential ecological risks, especially given the mine's proximity to the Kakamega Forest, one of Kenya's last remaining rainforests and a key biodiversity hotspot. However, Shanta Gold has pledged to adhere to Kenya's Land Act and international best practices on resettlement and environmental management. The company has committed to maintaining transparent dialogue with local communities and implementing strict environmental safeguards, ensuring that development does not come at the cost of sustainability. As Kenya stands on the edge of this golden dawn, one cannot help but marvel at how far the country has come and how much brighter its future might soon shine. From a nation once overlooked in Africa's mining circles, Kenya now finds itself sitting atop one of the most significant gold discoveries in modern African history. Could this be the moment when Kenya finally takes its place as a global mining powerhouse? Could Kakamega become to Kenya what Witwatersrand was to South Africa, a source of unimaginable wealth and industrial growth? One thing is clear: if Kenya nurtures this discovery wisely, invests in value addition, and builds a robust mining ecosystem, the payoff could be extraordinary. The golden veins running through Kakamega's earth may well be the key to unlocking the next chapter of Kenya's prosperity. For now, the world watches in awe as the East African giant prepares for what could be its most glittering payday yet, a true testament to Kenya's rising promise, resilience, and untapped potential. Your perspective matters. What do you make of Kenya discovering its largest gold deposit in decades? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa Wealth and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.